Greetings, humans. I come from a civilization 4,000 years ahead of yours. We mastered interstellar travel, dark matter energy, and apparently something most of you still don't understand: investing. Which is strange, because it's actually very simple. So pay attention. What is investing? You humans like money, correct? Good. Imagine you have $10. Most of you do one of two things. You either spend it immediately on something useless, or you put it in a bank account where it does absolutely nothing. Very impressive strategy. Now let me explain a better one. Instead of letting that money sit there like a lazy human on a Sunday, you put that money into something that grows in value over time. A company, property, a fund, something productive. That is investing. You sacrifice money today so you can have more money later. Simple concept, somehow still confusing to your species. Why saving money alone is not enough. Many humans think saving money is enough. Let me translate that idea into alien language. It's like storing food for the future, but every year the food gets smaller. That's inflation. Prices go up every year. So if your money just sits there, its buying power slowly dies. 10 years later, your money buys less. Congratulations. You successfully went backwards. But investments often grow faster than inflation. So while prices increase, your money increases even more. That's how wealth is actually built. Things humans can invest. Humans can invest in many things, some smarter than others. Examples include stocks, owning small pieces of companies, real estate, property and housing, commodities, resources like gold or oil, cryptocurrency, digital assets, highly chaotic, proceed carefully, index funds and ETFs, collections of many investments combined. Think of it like this. Instead of betting everything on one company, you can invest in hundreds at the same time. Even humans can understand why that's safer. Active versus passive investing. Now here's where humans make things complicated. Some humans become active investors. They analyze charts, study companies, watch financial news all day. They try to predict the perfect time to buy and sell. Sometimes it works. Often, it does not. Then there are passive investors. These ones are much calmer. Instead of trying to predict the market, they invest small amounts consistently over time. Every week, every month, they ignore the noise. This strategy is called dollar cost averaging. Boring? Yes. Effective? Also yes. Risk and reward. Another concept humans struggle with. Every investment has some level of risk. Some investments can grow very fast, but they can also crash very fast. Others grow slower, but are more stable. High reward usually means higher risk. Low risk usually means slower growth. There is no magical investment that is zero risk, infinite profit, instant results. If someone tells you otherwise, you are probably being scammed. Index funds and ETFs. Now here is one of the simplest strategies humans have invented: an index fund. Instead of picking individual companies, you invest in a large group of them at once. For example, the 500 largest companies in a country. Your money is spread across all of them. So if one company fails, your entire investment doesn't collapse. This is called diversification, which is just a complicated human word for don't put all your money in one place. ETFs work similarly, but their prices change throughout the day like regular stocks. How humans can start investing. Now listen carefully. You do not need thousands of dollars to begin. You can start with small amounts: $10, $20, $50. What matters is consistency. Invest regularly. Let time do the work, because time is the most powerful force in investing, even more powerful than human stupidity, and that is saying something. Common mistakes. Humans make new investors often make predictable mistakes. Investing money they cannot afford to lose, expecting to get rich in a few months, panicking when the market drops, or chasing ridiculous get-rich-quick schemes. Let me be clear. Real investing is slow. It takes years, sometimes decades, but that's how wealth is actually built. Final message. So let me summarize for your species. Investing means use money today to create more money tomorrow. Start small, invest consistently, be patient, and stop expecting instant results. Do that long enough, and eventually even humans can build wealth. Impressive for a primitive civilization. Good luck. You're going to need it. Comment invest if you made it this far in the video.